Today I'm going to go over how to use Photoshop and use the color schemes. So for example, what I mean by that is, let's say the color isn't, as bright as you want it. You could use like a color enhancer. What this is just a hue. And all we're doing is changing the saturation to maybe like an 18 or something. It's up to you. And enhance the color. That's it. So what we're going to be doing is with masking. So let's say if I want to change the dress color, all I have to do is create like a folders, like for example, March. And all we do is change by, creating another hue. For example, like how this is. Let's grab a hue, change the color, and then paste a black background. Use your pencil tool, or you can use a brush. Go with pencil. You're going to get the more results that you wanted. And just go with white. Make sure you're masking right here. And then you're just going to do this. Just color where you think is the dress. You can skip shadowing for the arm right here. So we just do this. And that's how you color. If you want different colors, well, you could either go right here and just change it like this. And if you don't have the color you wanted from here, from the hueing, let's say you go over here on this blue, let's just duplicate it real quick, and then go blending, and let's go with linear dodge. Maybe turn this down about 60 or somewhere in there, 50 to 60. I'll just go 60 real quick. And then I could just change the colors. I wanted, a navy, or not navy, baby blue or something like that. If I wanted some lighter colors, I could always change the hue, since this is holding the colors, to maybe a yellow. And that's the basis of this tutorial. So you just do that for the same for every one of these. And then you're really good to go. The last bit is you only need one masking. So whatever one that you've been doing all this at, you know what I mean? Just move it to your months. Move it to your months, and then now you don't need these masking. And then just duplicate this one, or now we just gotta remove this masking. And now we're good to go, because now we just go to this folder and now we can mask and we get the same results, just like that. Very simple. The next video I'll do will be the same for Krita, how to do this as well. There you go. All right, enjoy.